Hey guys, what's up? I'm actually at Sydney Airport right now and I'm flying over to Hong Kong for a holiday and then off to Bali. But I'm at the airport right now and I'm at the boarding gate waiting to board, and I thought I'd just show you my little bum bag, what's in my bag video. Yeah, give me one moment. So yeah, basically I bought this bag. It's from Foldy. It's actually really great. It's an anti-theft bag because it actually can lock your zips together so no one can steal it, and your this is unable to be like ripped by a knife, and it's got RFD reader for the cards as well, that way no one can swipe your card when you're walking around. So what have I got in here? I've got my power bank. Okay, got that from Amazon. I've got my wallet, my cards and ID in there. I have some gum. I've got some throat lozenges. I have my reading glasses. I have some hay fever tablets because my sinuses get so bad on the plane, and also Vicks nasal inhaler to help with that. I've got a SD card reader for my digital camera, and I've got a pen. I have my asthma puffer as well, and I've got some tissues, and I've got some lip balm. It's great from The Ordinary. I just bought it, it's really great. And I also have my passport, obviously. And yeah, that's pretty much what's in my bag. It's about a 9-hour flight, 2.5 hours to Hong Kong. I'm meeting my auntie there, my mum's sister. So we're gonna roam around Hong Kong and run amok, and then yeah, I'll take some videos in Hong Kong of the food that I eat, in Disneyland and stuff. So stay tuned. Guys, we've just landed in Hong Kong. We're just getting off the plane now. Thank you so much. Thank you. And it was a pretty smooth flight. There was a bit of turbulence going over the Philippines, but I slept for maybe 4 hours, and I'm now gonna meet my auntie. There was unfortunately a screaming child on the plane pretty much all the time, but just put the volume as loud as I could and watched a few movies, ate all the food, and yeah, I can feel the heat, but I'm keen. Okay, so we passed immigration. I picked up my Octopus card, which is like their travel card here on the public transport system. I am now waiting for Tita Yoli, who's arriving now. They've landed. It's pretty busy here at Hong Kong Airport, and it's nice and humid as well. So I'm kind of sweating. Hair's getting frizzy. But yeah, I'm excited to see my auntie.
Binigyan na Mickey mo ako. Pawis na ako.
Hi! Guys, we're together now. Tita Yoli's here. Say hi. Alright, we're on the train now. We're about to get off at Kowloon. We have some issues with her eSIM that's not working, but we'll figure it out. We're gonna go check into the hotel and we're going to get some food. Okay guys, welcome back. We finally made it to our hotel. We're staying at the Otto Hotel in TST, which is right in the middle of the hustle and bustle. So, well, forgive my skin, it's absolutely horrible after a day of traveling, but we'll show you the room. So we walk in and we have our bathroom, toilet, and there's also a shower, and you can see straight through, but that blind can go down. A little mini bar. They gave us free soft drink as well for the first night, which is nice. Tita's there with our 2 beds. We have a TV as well, and we also have cute little office and also the view of the building. And we're on the 10th floor. We are just going to freshen up and then we're gonna grab dinner at Temple Street Night Markets. So yeah.
No, you accept card? Card.
Okay, we're here at Temple Street Night Market. It's nice and humid. Today Ollie's sweating.
Yes.
We're just checking out the market. Then we're gonna grab some food.
Walk for 2 kilometers.
This place is pretty big. It's long. We won't go too far, but just want to have a look and then we'll go and eat. Yes. Yay. We're about to have dinner. We're gonna get some street food. So we have some chicken noodle right here. Chicken noodle. We've got some gyozas or dumplings, and we've got some squid balls, sausage, and pork belly. So excited. So we're gonna give it a try. So we're gonna give it a try.
Let's eat.
It tastes like mee goreng. Yeah, it tastes like mee goreng. It's good. Squid balls. It has like a peanut sauce. Delicious. So good. We also got some pork belly as well. Pork belly. That's good. Place is really good. Definitely recommend coming here. Temple Street Night Market. Try the gyozas or the dumplings. Damn. Yeah. What's up? We got some drinks. We got some iced teas because it's really hot. I got the strawberry, lime, and I only got the watermelon and lime. Cheers. Taste test. Yum. Refreshing. Hopefully the ice is filtered. Or else first night we get. Yeah. Anyway.